If you've got a 2011 to 2018 Dodge Durango and you can't quite see what you're doing when you're backing up, no problem, we got you covered. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to increase the brightness of your reverse lights by over 4 times. So let's get started. So we've got our Durango pulled into the shop now, and honestly, if you've got a 2011 to 2018 Durango, these instructions are gonna apply to you, and to take this thing apart, all you really need are a couple pry tools. So the first step, open the tailgate hatch up, and what we're gonna be doing is removing this plastic piece right here. This will allow us to access all 4 of our reverse light bulbs. I'm gonna warn you guys before we go any further, this black plastic hatch is tough to remove. It doesn't take any like tools or anything crazy to remove it. You need a couple pry tools and that's it. But this thing, I don't know what kind of plastic clips they use to put this thing on. It feels like you're gonna break it when you're pulling on it. I'm just gonna warn you right now. So using a pry tool, come in from the top here, get behind that and just pry it down. You wanna be gentle on this. I've read that people have broken these off by prying on the outsides. You don't wanna do that. You wanna pry from the top. Now, if you made it this far, all you need to do, I started right here at this corner. Use your fingers, just get behind it. And what you're gonna do is use your hands to just chase around the panel. And you're gonna feel clips. They're gonna fight you. I've already had this off once, and so they're a little bit looser, but man, the first time I took this thing off, it really felt like I was gonna break it. Now, when you get it this far, do not take it all the way off until you unplug these lights, these interior lights. Last thing you want to do is yank this thing down and rip this wiring out. There's a little clip on the side, and if you pry it toward you, this thing comes out just like so. Set your panel off to the side. The hardest part is done. So we've made it this far, and now we can actually see the 4 reverse light bulbs that we're going to be replacing today. And this is what they look like. We've got a T15 incandescent bulb here, and one awesome option that we've discovered for this vehicle is the GTR Lighting Carbide Series T10 bulb. It fits in the housing really well. It doesn't flop around in there. It's not going to fall out. That's the last thing you want when you're opening your tailgate, believe me. And it is a significant brightness upgrade. Now, if you're looking for the ultimate reverse light upgrade for your Durango, you need the 1000 lumen reverse light from GTR Lighting. Chances are you've seen videos on these before. You've probably heard about them. They are our best selling product by far. And they are absolutely insane in a vehicle like this when you've got 4 reverse lights. If you want rear mounted headlights, this is what you're looking for. The Carbide series bulb just pops right into the original socket and that's it. You just reinstall it the way it was. This bulb has got this silicone little connector here that plugs in, that pushes into where the original socket went. And I'm gonna show you guys how that works in just a second. It's just a little bit different than how things usually are. Some people get hung up on this and I just want you guys to know how that works. So, I've got this reverse light bulb right here. There's a total of 4. I'm just going to show you guys this one real quick. Pop that original bulb out of the socket. And to install the 1000 lumen reverse light, what you want to do is take this silicone little adapter here, just press it into the taillight housing. It fits just like so. And then you can plug the little wire harness coming out of it into your original reverse light plug, like so. That's all there is to it. So that's how you get those things installed. I'm going to run through and do the other 3, and then we're going to pull this thing outside and I'm going to show you guys just how much brighter this thing actually is compared to what you got from the factory. Now, we've been doing a lot of work on these Dodge Durangos here, and in fact, we've got a crazy headlight shootout video coming up. So if you've got Durango with the halogen factory projectors, if you've got the factory D3S HID projectors, no problem. We got videos coming out that'll show you guys the best upgrades for your money possible on those. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.